Hey, this is me, Travel Guy. In today's video, we are going to learn typography, which is really cool. You can create typography videos like this. So, before you have not subscribed, please subscribe the channel, like the video, and share it with your friend because it is going to really help you. So, this is really cool animation. How to create it? Create one comp which is 1920 by 1080. Make sure this is not locked. The second comp you will create it like 9020 by 1080 multiply by 5. If you have created the second comp which is 9020 by 1080 multiply by 5, so it is going to work this kind of composition. Okay, so it's really easy to create it. Okay, first of all, let's zoom in. So how we will create this kind of typography? First of all, you should make a one solid layer which is Control Y. When you press Control Y, so you can just select the color of that if you want. So then press OK. When you press OK, so it will create the new solid layer. After that, you should make text. Okay, so yes, let's write it. Travel Guy. Okay, so this is the text. I want to animate it. It is really cool. Let's up the size of this like this. So now what you will have to do is, let me do it like this. Okay, so now just here we can create this kind of text. So this is Travel Guy. Now you can see the anchor point is here, so we'll make it in the between. Just press Control Alt Home key, so you will see this is now in the between. Just press P and Shift S. When you press this is now you can open position and scale properties, which is really easy. So now just keyframe both of them and just little bit do it like this. Now we will make the first keyframe, which is really easy, cool. So now you can see it here. We will make it little bit up, so like here. Now we will press 0 the scale. Okay, now it is going to work really good. So now you will have to press with this to F9. Now just open this graph. Okay, now you will work in edit speed graph. So just press these two keyframes and drag it like this, so it's going to work. Okay, just not let us make this both like workable. Okay, so now it's going to work very cool. So now you can see. Okay, so this now we'll create it here one more keyframe, which is the last keyframe, and we will make it the scale little bit down. Okay, and position, sorry. So now you can see this both. Now you can just press F9 with this only. What you will have to do is just press this, so just create it. Okay, now just press this and do it like this. Now you can see this is made. How we can create it. Now it will, now you can see how it little more smaller, so this is going to work great. But I'm sorry, now you can see little bit, so just position like this and a little more small. Okay, small. Okay, this is going to work. Now F9 with these both keys. Now can you imagine how it is going to work? Okay, this is going to work now very perfect. Okay, can you see this? So now you can just add motion blur, so it is created. Now duplicate this layer multiple times and adjust the position and rotation and scale of the layer, so you can create this kind of typography, which is really easy and cool. Now you can see it here, so you can just rotation, position and scale, you can do it. Okay, so now it is going to work really quickly. Now just one make which you have made 9020 by 1080, like the first composition, that was good. Now we can add CC vignette, but we cannot add from effect and presets. I have my own, so this is going to work very good. Okay, so I have borderless, like you can see the shadow. Okay, the effect is creating really cool. Okay, now just I add a camera and a little bit position. I added like zoom in and zoom out, so it's going to work very quickly. Now we will open this composition tool where we have this effect with the solid layer. So just come to effect and presets, just press grid. Okay, so now you have this grid, so you can bring it here. Now we will change the corner point to width and height slides, so you can just press 100 and 100. Now you can this will be on 5, so you can make it 3. It will be bigger than that. Then width and height feathers, so you can add a feather, so it is looking very cool, and this kind of effect. Now we will open our main composition and we will play with the voiceover this video. I don't have voiceover, that's why I'm not making it, so it's really cool. You can create it for your Insta videos and or TikTok videos. You can make it anywhere. This is going to work for you very good. Subscribe the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends, so it will be really helpful for me and you. And I will make Patreon page, and you can edit every preset and effect I'm making. I will just share it with you with free, so just in my Patreon page. Thanks, have a great day, bye.